Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. This is all the places you can find me. This is the January Ipsy Glam Bag. The theme's clean slate. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara. And invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So we have a cute little stone looking bag. It's got like a very smooth finish to it. It's kind of vinyl-y. It's a very neat texture, but we also have cute, adorable products that also smell great. So let's talk about them now. So hey, Ipsy Clean Slate. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, apparently there's a contest on the back too. Okay. Snap a selfie, write your goals in the caption, share it on Instagram. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you how to enter this contest. Follow Ipsy on Instagram, IPSY. Snap a selfie. Write your 2020 goals in your caption, share it on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Tag Ipsy. Put Ipsy Clean Slate. Hashtag giveaway so that they can find you. And be sure your profile is public until they announce the winner on 2/3. That's February 3rd. So you got maybe a week. Okay, so anyway, this really cool bag. It's really smooth texture, like it's kind of vinyl-y. I like it. And it's pink. Who doesn't like pink? I love pink, even though I'm wearing an orange sweatshirt. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Here's the products. Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser. Okay. Gives your skin, oh, it's cream to foam. Oh, that sounds interesting. Okay, it's gonna reduce redness. Okay, I'm excited about that. Let's see if there's a seal on it. All right, no, there's a seal. Guess we're not smelling it. Whoop. Okay, next. JJ Young Pore Glow Mask. Okay, it's a methanol infused clay mask that instantly soothes redness, brightens skin, and tightens pores. Okay. Oh, light clay masks are dark. I'm excited about that. Okay. Oh, it says keep it in fridge. Always keep the mask in the fridge. Okay, there's weird people out there that have these little mini fridges to put all their I don't have one of those. Not yet. Okay, Contact Skin Nail Lacquer. Ain't Love Strange. It's like a light pink. Yeah, it's a flattering pink, like neutral. This right now I've got these all ready to go. But yeah, there's that. I've got these all ready to go. I call them my Australian Open nails because eventually I'm going to be doing selfies with tennis balls. I'm so excited. Yeah, so basically they're the same color as tennis balls and the court at the Australian Open because I'm in a very tennis mood. Okay. I think you pronounce it Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush in Pinch Me. And it doubles as an eyeshadow too. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Okay. Let's get the mirror out here. Got a little brush here. Okay. Get those apples. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's a nice little pinch me pinky coral. Oh, I do like that. Okay. And then finally, we have, oh, I've never used this brand before. Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss. It's an iridescent lavender gloss. That makes your lips the center of the look. I've never had like, okay. Oh, it's got a seal on it. I'm an idiot. I'm like, why won't it open? Because it's got this plastic seal. I can't get it open. I hate that. Okay. There we go. Still can't get it open. It's awful. The worst. Okay. Let's try this again. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. The worst. I hate when you can't tell that there's plastic on it until you try to open it. Okay, so now we got it. We got it. I'm good. Okay, so it's like a clear shiny gloss. Ooh, that's nice. I mean, you could actually put it over other lip glosses or lipsticks. And then that is the Ipsy January Glam Bag. So until next time, stay beautiful.